Welcome to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, stocks, and NFTs. This video will dive into Ripple, a distributed ledger technology platform that uses XRP cryptocurrency for instant, low-cost, and reliable cross-border payments. Ripple was founded in 2012 by Larsen and McCaleb, and it offers several financial services through RippleNet, a blockchain payment technology. RippleNet enables immediate payments between financial institutions, such as banks, and aims to simplify, speed up, and reduce the cost of international money transfers. Unlike traditional payment systems like SWIFT, Ripple uses a consensus approach that involves many servers controlled by banks that work together to verify transactions. Validators ensure that all transactions are legitimate by comparing the proposed transaction to the most up-to-date version of the XRP ledger, and a transaction needs to be approved by the vast majority of validators to be validated. One of the advantages of Ripple is its fast settlement, with a confirmation time of 4 to 5 seconds for all transactions. Additionally, the transaction fee on the Ripple network is very low, around 1/100th of 1 cent at the current exchange rate. Ripple is also a versatile exchange network, allowing for the use of other fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies, not just XRP. Ripple has gained widespread institutional market acceptance, with major financial institutions like Santander and Bank of America using this network. Ripple is best suited for remittances, cryptocurrency liquidity, and CBDC services, and it can be used by small businesses and large corporations alike. If you want to use Ripple, you can purchase XRP on a cryptocurrency exchange and retain it in a digital wallet. Ripple's mission is to facilitate instant, low-cost, and dependable cross-border monetary transactions via the internet, blockchain technology, and the XRP currency. Thank you for watching this video on Ripple. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest trends in crypto, stocks, blockchain, and NFTs.